If you're shopping for a 5G mobile hotspot and came across the T-Mobile JEXtream RG2100, here's what you need to know before spending your money. The RG2100 is a high-speed 5G hotspot that supports up to 32 devices and comes with Wi-Fi 6, a touchscreen interface, and a large 5,000 mAh battery. On paper, it sounds great, and when you're in a strong 5G area, the speeds deliver. You can stream, download, even run Zoom calls with no problem. Setup is quick. Touchscreen makes managing connected devices or changing settings way easier than older hotspots. Battery life is solid as well. You'll usually get around 8 to 10 hours depending on how many devices you're using. Here's where it gets tricky though. Performance depends heavily on signal strength. In areas with weak T-Mobile 5G, speeds drop sharply. Indoors, it can struggle, especially in buildings with thick walls or metal frames. Also, this device is locked to T-Mobile, so if you're thinking of switching carriers later, you're out of luck. And while there's no data cap on premium plans, speeds will get deprioritized after a certain threshold. So is it worth it? If you're already on T-Mobile and live in a strong coverage zone, the RG2100 gives you fast, stable, and portable internet. But if you travel a lot or need consistent speeds in fringe areas, this may not be the most reliable option.